All right, so today is the 12th of October. It is a Sunday, and what a week of trading we have had on our prop firm automation accounts. We actually took a lot more trades than usual, and what a way to end Friday, especially with all of the news in the market right now. There was a market sell-off, whether it was equities and crypto. $2 trillion wiped out. Similar bloodbath with the crypto market as well. So next week should be a very interesting one. Dow Jones, you could see as soon as Trump made that tweet about putting 100% tariffs on China, you could see the market, how it just dropped. And the crypto market was no different. This is XRP right now. You can see that it dropped 50%. It was just an insane day on Friday. I believe it was about $19 billion that got liquidated in the crypto markets. So there should be a lot of volatility next week. We do advise all of our traders to be very careful with how they are trading. You guys can continue to use our bots. It is programmed with strict stop losses, so you guys don't need to worry about it. And volatility is a good thing, especially when you're using the bots, because a lot of volatility usually means a lot of profits using our EAs. Because we buy and sell, does not matter which direction the market goes. We actually have positions ready whether the market goes up or the market goes down. And this week we had a fantastic trading week. Took a lot of trades, more than usual. So all of the trades have been closed. 2 open orders on gold. So let's break down all of the trades that we actually took this week. So here is the prop firm automation account right now on my social trader tool. The profits are exactly the same. All trades are closed, so the balance $336,907.27, just like on my social trader tool right now. We have been on a crazy win streak. We only had one losing day out of all of the trading days. So we started all of the new accounts back on the 30th of July, 2025. We are now on the 10th of October, 2025. You can see that the account has now grown over 60%. So the only losing day that we had was right here on the 29th of September, 2025. You can see the profit is 55.32%. And then we had a loss right there, 54.92%. So with this past week, we still made a profit of $14,000. So from the 6th until the 10th, we're going to look at how we did during this whole week. So here it is right there from the 6th until the 10th. We only risk about 1.5% on any given day. You can see right here, the first trade on the Monday, we lost one small trade, $180. And then we made up for it, 1,580, 1,496. And then 2,000, and then we had a huge win of 5,120. We lost on the pound dollar of 2,710. So this is a $200,000 account copier. Obviously, there is some slippage, so it's not going to be exactly 1.5%. But you can see all of the other wins, 1,280, 3,580, 1,320, and then we had a small loss right there, 590. And then another loss, 650. So this week, we actually took a lot more trades than usual. $2,000, 1,752. And then we had a small loss, 670. And we had another big win of 2,070. All trades have been closed for the weekend. So $14,000 in profit in just this week. So now for the past 3 months, you can see it has not even been 3 months of our new prop firm automation accounts. We started this only back on the 30th of July, 2025. And right now we're on the 10th of October, 2025. So hopefully on all of these new prop firm automation accounts, we're going to hit close to another $250,000 in profit, just like we did with the previous members that we took on in the beginning of the year. Make sure you guys go to our YouTube channel and check out how we did on the first half of the members that we actually took on. For those members, we secured over $250,000 in payouts. Check out this video right here. And now all of those members are on their way trading the accounts by themselves using our EAs. And now with these new members, we will also hopefully secure $250,000 by the end of this year. And they will also be using their EAs and trading the accounts by themselves. So this week, our leaderboard. So here it is, the 12th of October, our leaderboard on his FTMO account, 21%. So many of our members are clearing 5 figures in different payouts. And once you guys do join our prop firm automation, you guys will have access to our community. You guys will be able to have your own dashboard, track all of your trades that we are actually taking. So this new client right here is also on a $200,000 account. So far, we have secured about $16,000. And then once you guys are due for a payout, all you guys would need to do is press this request payout button, and then we will stop trading your account for you until you receive your payout. And you guys will also be able to have access to our Telegram community. And this week, just today was a weekend. You can see everyone was flipping out. And this week, we had some payouts. Another member right here using his gold bot was able to secure about $48,000 in profit using the gold trading bot. And we had other members as well who were able to secure some payouts today. So this member right here secured $12,000 from his FTMO account. And then we had another member who actually secured a higher profit right there, $18,000 on his FTMO account as well. If you guys would like to join a winning community, make sure you guys go to our YouTube channel, hit this link right here, reach out to one of our members to also help you get started on your prop firm trading journey.